Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are hale and hearty. Welcome you all to NIVS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is Unit-20, lesson number 5 to 8. Okay, so students, let's see the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 5, subject English, topic Unit-20, lesson 5 to 8. This is your lecture number 3 and your HW number 2. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 3 and your homework number 2, and your homework for this class will be exercise number F. Term annual, teacher Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my mobile number. Okay, let's start. At first we will read the passage. There is a story named Life is Beautiful. In the previous lessons you have already read the half portion. Now we will conclude this story about Maria. Maria hopes to go to university one day. Her teachers think that she can. Maria wants to set up a school of her own so that she can teach visually impaired children. Before this, Maria wants to be a writer. She wants to write a book about her feelings and experiences. She wants to show other impaired people that they can do amazing things in their lives. You can remember that this story is about a girl like you, Maria, who is exceptional. She is visually impaired, but she is a meritorious student and all the teachers love her very much. So this is the end of this unit number 20. Now we will do some exercise. Exercise number F. Read the job descriptions, complete the sentences with a word from the box. There are some words in the boxes, and all these words describe different kinds of professions. So you have to pick up a profession or a word and fill up the gaps. At first we will read the words. The first one, business person. The second, computer engineer. The third one, doctor. Farmer. Fifth one, pilot. And the last one is teacher. Number 1, dash works in a school. Children learn how to read and write from this person. So we know that the person who teaches in a school is called a teacher. So we will pick up the last word from the box and fill up here. Teacher. The second sentence, a dash studies computer science and can fix computers. We know that a computer engineer studies computer science and can fix computers. So we will take word number 2. Computer engineer. Number 3, a dash looks after ill people and helps them to become healthy. There are some professions, and among the professions, doctor is the person who looks after ill people and helps them become healthy. So we'll take option number 3, doctor. So the sentence will be, a doctor looks after ill people and helps them to become healthy. Number 4, a dash flies planes. He or she travels around the world. We know the people who fly planes are called pilots. So the pilot, the profession of pilot is given in the 5th box. So we'll take it and write down here. So a pilot flies planes, he or she travels around the world. Number 5, a dash grows crops such as rice. We get our food from this person. Among the 6 professions, we have already taken 4. There are 2 left: business person and farmer. And we know that growing crops or cultivation is the profession of a farmer. So we will take farmer and write here. So a farmer grows crops such as rice. We get our food from this person. And the final one is a dash buys and sells things in Bangladesh or in other countries. So the buying and selling activities are done by a business person. So we will write here business person. So a business person buys and sells things in Bangladesh and or in other countries. So dear students, this is the exercise and it will be your homework. Your homework number 2 will be exercise F. Okay. So this will be your homework. This fill in the blanks. So my dear students, I hope that you have enjoyed this class very much, and if you have further any problem or question, please ask me. Till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, and attend the online classes and watch the YouTube classes regularly. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.